আমরা সবাই পদম ফুলের ছবিতে ভোট দিয়ে অবসর কৃষিতে আমরা অসংখ্য জয়যুক্ত করব। ভারত মাতা কি জয়, বিজেপি জিন্দাবাদ।
Kote asumapan corolom nilitum nangajofa teng dem kebangpot ini nilitum kalbulcari asong ulongkamaji arohin pen erengke amai ke phapona alam theke lapu henlo kidamtang langke topera long BJP atum vote kerek amai along inu do thamdang Mr. Ainul Hok Assistant Professor of Vocational College ulongkamaji along di openly pen Ratchari along klam along idun ke chokche pasin itu along di fan pinrem lo arti along lagi nut goreng klem bom lapen nut thambang asai si klem bom jong si along di Ratchari asai along klem dun pulote along di aprangsi along di arpu chionang ji lasi nile tum kese ulong kamaji head dance ahin pen along di fan pinrem pon lo lasi nile tum Kiasa belum kamu tu aji arohin pen ke tuning rilo man kita di komisar of Karbiang long alang lipan arona teng pen yang saya bek ko sinding thelo jong si alang lipan yang saya pon tek thedet protein litum karbulucar asong ahin pen yang tangrak pen kasi song dengpon nang kokko kardon.
All the media brothers for coming here at our request. Today, we, the Karbi Students Association, Polongkomaji Headbranch, held a press conference at our own office regarding the violation of Rule 5 Sub 1 by Mr. Ainul Hok, the Assistant Professor of Vocational College. He was openly participate in politics during the BJP vote campaign rally at Langfer constituency. It is not the duty being the government employee or being assistant professor of Vocational College. If he is interested, then first of all he should resign from his post. In this regard, we, the Karbi Student Association Polongkomaji Head Branch, would like to appeal the higher authority to look into this matter and to take strict action. If the higher authority did not take any strict action, then we, the Karbi Student Association Polongkomaji Head Branch, will go to another step. Thank you.
Alang lagi teacher lapen.
Ang so ko tha plote arona teng pen lake isi Ratchari long ke claim dunji pelotang te boreng awar sai pen aphangsi chi onang ji lapen arona teng pelotang te alang le boreng claim bom ahut pelotang te lapuson Ratchari along klam along ke dodun chokche pusi nelitum jong ponlo lapen alang liphan ason son jong si non nelitum jong dunde pudunde pelote kewang jilang por ahut anut kaplek aphan nelitum ki pudunji aja kongka awedet pola si alang liphan lapuson alang le inut assistant professor bate alang le non lo than bom apor ahut lapuson political along involved dun toke nelitum hin pen lake sodak pen pinrem lo lapen ang song higher authority tumhan setame alang liphan sodak pen ing sainang ji lapen arpu pen setame suspension binang ji pusi nelitum hin pen tuning ripon lo. Mr. Ainul Hok, the Assistant Professor of Vocational College Bokolia, alang le halabang so are lialong inut boreng claim bom apor ahut halabang so BJP campaign vote campaign amayalong alang li sitame isi BJP zindabad lapuson ke hang taramdun lake isi
BJP zindabad.
Nilitum DC office lo kami complain ki contact ko lapen jong si nilitum complain ki pia teng pen thang step ta deng ponpe pulotang te kiwang zilang arni nilitum adak KSA Polongkomaji Head Branch ahin pen akang tu yang deng kache song pon stame che song pon nang kokko